Look at KASPA run. Welcome back, everybody. KASPA absolutely crushing all-time highs here throughout the last 24 hours, and this is the move we've just seen in the past week for KASPA, up about 20%. Once we broke all-time highs yesterday and set new ones, we talked about it in our video yesterday. Look out. The floodgates have opened, right? Because now there's no resistance. We're waiting now to see where we kind of taper off and start to consolidate here. But right now, KASPA, one of the best investments in my opinion here, one of the best opportunities out there still today. We sit at a $1.3 billion market cap right now, but not a lot of people know about KASPA yet. So make sure we do all our part by smashing that like button, push this one up in the old YouTube algorithm so this gets out to a bunch of new people. I'm making these videos obviously because I'm learning what's being built here, and I recently came across a crazy projection for KASPA. And I want to share that projection and talk about if I agree with it or disagree with it. So we'll talk about that. It is from a fellow YouTuber in the space, and it kind of aligns with my thinking as well. I'll give you what I think fully on that here in just a little bit. But KASPA, if we take out to the last month here, sitting at about 28% up here on the year, guys, 1,650% gains. 24-hour volume has been very, very interesting here in the last 24 as well, guys. Look at this, 50 million in volume pouring in, 50 million pouring into KASPA here in the last 24 hours. CoinMarketCap doesn't rank it, but CoinGecko does. If we go over to CoinGecko and find KASPA, we are moving up the charts. Slowly moving up the charts. So we scroll on down, we find KASPA ranked here, right here at 43, guys. Right on the heels of Aave, Optimism, and Arbitrum, and Quant, and VeChain. I mean, if KASPA continues here, we could easily get into the top 40 here. All of a sudden, KASPA making a move into the top 40 maybe sometime this week, especially if the overall cryptocurrency market continues to look like this, with Bitcoin, Ethereum leading the way, of course. Bitcoin's back up over 35K. All right, so Connor Kenny had this to say about KAS, fellow YouTuber in the space. I see no reason why KAS can't do an 80x from here. I'm not saying it will, but that would put it at the same market cap as ADA last bull run. KASPA now sits at around, we just mentioned, 1.3 billion. Cardano's all-time high was 91 billion. Now, it's crazy to think that a $1 billion market cap can do this, but I'm with Connor here. I mean, we talked about getting to 100 billion right here on this channel multiple times for KASPA. He's saying 91 billion, right in the neighborhood. Yeah, I think this is doable. An 80x within this next cycle is not out of the possibility. So again, a lot of people saying, man, I'm late now to KASPA. It's continuing to fly. You know, this is why you open up a position slowly. I mean, I got in here at 4.1. Was waiting for a little bit of dip, didn't have it, but that's why I bought a little bit. Now, looking back, maybe I should have bought a little bit more, right? But I'm in. And I'm really, really looking forward to seeing where this thing kind of levels off, because that's where I may be looking to add again. And I think KASPA, as a layer one, has a phenomenal opportunity here in this upcoming bull cycle. There's a lot of great plays out there, but KASPA is going to be one of them that I'm going to bet pretty big on moving into this next cycle. Let me know what you guys think about all of this down below. Appreciate you guys as always. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. You guys know the drill. Happy Sunday to you, and we'll see you in the next one.